Good morning, students. Welcome back. Today we're going to study the sound of the letter P. So have your imaginary candle in front of your mouth and get ready to blow it out. P, p, p. Now your turn. P, p, p. Very good. Our first word is P-U-F. P-U-F. Puff. Puff, like you've been doing. You've been puffing. Next word, P-I-G. P-I-G. Pig. Pig. Little pigs go oink, 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 oink. Oink, 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 oink. On the farm. Next word, P-A-N-T. P-A-N-T. Pant. Pant. Do you ever go running and then you're panting? You need to catch your breath. Next word, S-P-O-T. S-P-O-T. Spot. A spot. Have you ever seen an outfit covered with spots? Last word, T-O-P. T-O-P. Top. Top. The top of my head. The top of my head. Well done!